Topps Chrome Breakers Delight 203. This finishes the case. 204 starts a new case. That will go tomorrow with Hobby Hawk. And if not, tomorrow night with myself. Good luck. Good luck, guys. Start on a Youthquake of Cal Mitchell for the Pirates. Cal Mitchell. Charlie Blackmon, Yachty, Hunter Brown, Goldsmith, Javier Baez, and Tyler O'Neill. Start with a green rookie Youthquake of Michael Harris for the Braves. Dr. Guru is on the board to 99. There's an Aqua of Seager to 199. And a green wave of Josh Bell to 99. Our first auto looks like a refractor auto. It's Nolan Gorman to 499. Dr. Gru with those Cardinals. And we have an A there. It's Dermis Garcia for the Athletics. And Cobalt is on the board. Go, Jeff. Ah, my goodness, are you kidding me? I'm out of all my top loaders again. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, perfect. Right here, top loader. Sweet. Box one. Box two. Come on, in this case, strong. Can we see a red? Can we see a super? Can we see nastiness, please? Ruiz on the Youthquake for the A's. There's Taylor Ward. Murata. Contreras, Buxton, Castellanos, and Oscar Gonzalez on the refractors. That is beyond short print. Wow. I've never, ever, ever hit this before. 6 of 10, Juan Soto. I have never hit this parallel before. It's the Expose. Has anybody seen this? I've been doing Breakers Delight for the better half of 6 or 7 years. I have never seen this parallel before. 6 or 7 years, 6 or 7 months. I have never seen this. Black Expose of Juan Soto for Dr. Gru. Oh, dude, I've never seen this. That's super cool. 6 of 10 Expose. That's cool. That's super cool. Never seen that before. What's up, Corey? That was cool. That's like the highlight of my day right there. I've never seen that. Ever. Have we hit any at Blaze? Yes, Cobra Core. Oh, we have hit one. Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. I've never seen it. Fujinami to 350. Wow, Mike Harris again on a Youthquake for Dr. Gru. We got 2 in the same break. That's crazy. Josh Lester's for the Tigers and King on a Fly. And then we got an Aqua. Can we end strong? It's Bo Naylor on the Aqua Wave to 199 Guardians. Dr. Gru. Dr. Gru had a really good break. That is cool as hell. I've never seen that. That's awesome. All right, recap. That is so cool. Dr. Gru with a sick break. A couple of Mike Harris's, Gorman, and the expose of Juan Soto, 6 of 10. I've never seen one, ever. That's the first. I never even heard of him.